My name is Yong and my registration number is 01DTK20F1013. And now I'll show how I do the experiment 6 of semiconductor. The experiment 6, the component that we need is the LED, one LED, okay, and a 9V battery, 2 push button switch, and a 270 ohm resistor. The color code is red, violet, okay, wait, and the brown, red, violet, brown, okay, and one silicon controlled rectifier, the TIC216D, okay, and some jumper wire and crocodile clips, and one bottle board and multimeter. So let's start. Now we have to record the data for table 6.1. Firstly, the connection for multimeter probe need to connect for the positive red probe need to connect to anode, and the negative black probe need to connect to cathode of the SCR, and find out the resistance reading and the SCR condition. So I use times 10K ohm range. So the first terminal of the SCR is the cathode, and the second terminal is the anode, and the third terminal is the gate. Alright, so the positive terminal, the red probe need to connect to the second terminal, and the black probe need to connect to the first terminal. Okay, so it is connected. So the multimeter show infinity. So for the infinity reading, the SCR condition is off. So next, the negative black probe to anode and positive red probe to cathode. So I also use times 10K ohm range. So it is connected, the red probe to the cathode, and the positive positive red probe to cathode, and the negative black probe to the anode. So the multimeter reading will show infinity ohm. So the SCR condition is off. So next, I have to connect the positive red probe to anode and the gate at the same time, and then the negative black probe to the cathode. I use times 10K ohm range. So I have to connect the anode and the gate together with the jumper wire, and now it is connected together, and this jumper wire is connected to the probe, red probe. So red probe is connected to the anode and the gate, right? Next, connect the black probe to the cathode. Alright, so the multimeter show 400. So it is the multimeter show 40, and the ohm range is times 10, so it is 400 ohm. Okay, and this is the low resistance, so the SCR condition is on. And now it is almost the same, but we have to remove the gate while connecting the red probe, the positive red probe to the anode and the gate, and negative black probe to the cathode. So I use times 10K ohm range. So now the black probe is connected to the cathode, and also the red probe is connected to the anode and the cathode. And now we have to remove the AND gate carefully. So here's the AND gate. Okay, so now the multimeter reading is show infinite ohm. Okay, so the SCR condition is off. This is the table 6.2. Now we have to press the S2 switch only to find out the LED, whether the LED is on or off. And now this is the complete circuit for table 6.2. So this is the switch S1 and this is the switch S2. So here is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and here the cathode of the SCR is connected to the switch S2 and to the earth, or we call it negative terminal of the battery. So now we have to press the S2 only. So okay, so the LED is off. So now we have to do this 4 steps together. Press the switch S1, S2 and then release the switch S1 while pressing the switch S2. Then we have to still pressing the switch S2 and short the anode to cathode, and lastly release the S2. So now I have to press the switch S1, S2 together. Okay, so now the LED is on, and now I have to release the switch S1. Okay, so the LED is still on. Next we have to still press the S2 and short the anode, the second terminal, to the first terminal, which is the cathode. Short the anode to cathode. Okay, so the LED is still on. So now lastly we have to release the switch S2 while short the anode and cathode. Alright, so now the LED is off. Okay, so this is all the result for table 6.2. Alright, and here's all the result for these experiments, table 6.1 and table 6.2. Alright, thank you very much.